Slim Thug tests his new truck horn while picking up Junior and things go left.
He gonna jump too, he a little scary ass. I thought that he got hit by a freight train. I thought he got ran over my train. I don't know what that got him, boy. Oh shit! If y'all hear y'all on the on the phone and shit, if you hear that bitch in real life, that bitch loud than the motherfucker. I just got a new train horn. That other one, it ain't have enough bass in it. This bitch ain't gonna shake your feet. I just got that bitch. That motherfucker, that'll shake your feet. This is a loud motherfucker. The other one I had, that bitch was okay. But it ain't have, it was actually a diesel horn. This a motherfucking train horn. That bitch got some bass in that hoe. I don't know I play too much. That should be fun though. I need to grow the fuck up. I need to grow the fuck up, but it's fun. Especially when you high. This should be hella funny when you high. I'ma just start doing pranks on motherfuckers. What else I could do? I'ma just keep the horn prank going. We gotta start fucking up the homeless people when they sleep. Homeless people sleep at the bus stop. We fucking them up. Let's ride around town.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
We better wake their ass up. Them loud gonna be after me up there. Wake them up. You, some thug with that weird shit. Gotta get him. They ain't got no hearing no more. You can't scare a kid. It's hard to scare a kid. They done been through too much. We gotta get a lady, an old white lady or something. Nah, she gonna say I gave her a heart attack or some shit. We can't do that. We're gonna have to keep this shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna figure it out.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.